Hello everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. It's 2024, 31-day Smashbook Challenge page layout, and today is prompt number 11, and it is hobbies. Well, I could go on forever for hobbies because I tell you I have a lot of them. So let's check out the ones I put in the book. Ready? Da-da-da-da-da. So my background, I want to talk about my background, is on this little napkin. That's just things from another book I did. I pressed it down as watercolor to soak up some of the color, and I used it as my background in this book. I thought I'd just share that because that's a hobby for me. Okay, my hobbies are camping, going to rummage sales, fishing, rendezvous. And people ask me all the time, what's rendezvous? Rendezvous is a form of living history. I do the 1800 fur trade. We haven't done it in a few years, but me and Scott are we're hoping to get back into it this summer. Painting, of course, mixed media, crafting, museums. I love museums. Going to cemeteries. I love walking through cemeteries and looking at old headstones. And of course, YouTube. So there's my hobbies, as much as I could fit on this page. So I'll just put this up so you guys can see it a little closer. So thank you for watching day number 11. I will see you on day number 12. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. And bye for now. Make sure you go check out my crafty styles.